afternoon everyone, and welcome to JLF1 TV. Here's a little purchase that I made on Sunday evening. It is a Breitling Colt Skyracer. Let's have a look. So here we go, in here must be the watch. I'll have a quick look at that in a second. Okay. All the documents in this nice little leather pouch. I'm not going to turn it over as it's got the warranty card in there and I don't want that to show, naturally. Okay, now let's open this up. And here it is. There we go. That is incredibly lightweight. That's amazing. This is made out of a material called Breitling, which, looking at it, appears to be very similar to sort of the forged carbon material that Lamborghini use on their latest models. It's amazing. It feels just like metal, but it looks fantastic. It looks almost like a stealthy kind of look to it. And there's the buckle at the back. As you can see, the strap is like a ruler. As far as I'm aware of, that does come off as well. So there we go. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoy. I should hopefully be able to post more videos about this soon. Thank you.